Wix versus WordPress. Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between Wix versus WordPress, which one is better for blogging. So for that I have this small table which will demonstrate the difference in terms of blogging. So first of all we'll talk about the ease of use. Wix is beginner friendly with drag and drop interface while WordPress requires some learning curve but highly customizable as well. If you talk about the templates, Wix is limited but professionally designed, while if you talk about the WordPress, it has extensive range of templates, including many free options. If you talk about the customization, Wix is less flexible as compared to WordPress, while WordPress is highly customizable with themes and plugins. Now let's get to the real deal blogging tools. The Wix has basic but sufficient for most bloggers, while WordPress have extensive with robust features for blogging. If you talk about the SEO search engine optimization capabilities, these are limited in the Wix, while if you talk about the WordPress offers advanced SEO plugins for optimization. If you talk about the cost, Wix offers various pricing plans, including a free version as well, and WordPress required a separate hosting, but the WordPress software itself is free. If you talk about the support provider from Wix may be limited, but if you talk about the WordPress have strong community support and extensive documentation. So that's pretty much it. That's what's the different. Hope you guys find this video helpful.